What if I tell to you that this image is created in just less than a minute? Isn't believable? Yes, it is true. So this image using Gemini 3.0, I have created in less than 1 minute. For example, Lean Six Sigma, it has given the summary. It's all about DMAIC approach, define, measure, analyze, improve, control. Define is all about defining the goal, and SIPOC, VOC, CTQ, and all that. Measure is all about mapping and collecting the data and all that. Control chart is one example. Analyze fishbone, YY Pareto, and improve is all about hypothesis, and of course the 5S, FMA, brainstorming, solutions, all that. Control chart is again SPC, everything. And then 8 wastages, it has given team mode, transportation, inventory, motion, waiting time, all that, and different type of belt. And then what I really like about it is that Lean Six Sigma. Lean is created by Toyota, and Six Sigma is invented by Motorola. And Lean is all about speed, and then Six Sigma is all about accuracy. Lean aims does at reduction of waste, and Six Sigma aims at reducing the variation. And as Six Sigma has a defect 3.4 defect million opportunity as a goal, right? It has given all critical detail in less than 1 minute. Similarly, so if this also been created using the same thing, so it has given a little bit micro detail, like each phases, and then if you take the key notes and concepts, and then how many belts and all that it is given. So how to create like this? For example, if you say that lean is all about the wastages, right? So we keep only the value added and reduce or eliminate the wastages, and then Six Sigma is driven with the Six Sigma is all about the statistic technique, right? It has given how to create such thing or any other topic. You can directly create a wonderful picture, and you have a comment or prompt. You need to remember that prompt. I'll also show it to you, and let's start. Just go to gemini.google.com. So this is the link, and here you can give a comment. So for example, let's say first I wanted to keep it like Lean Six Sigma summary that I have already discussed. So I'm gonna take this one, business statistic, and so here I'm gonna write business statistic key distribution. Like you have a various distribution, right? For example, you have a normal distribution, you have binomial distribution, you have like, many other, right? Poisson distribution, you have example, and then you have chi-square, many other, like proportionate, exponential, many other things, right? And the hack to remember them, and I'll do the simple examples, right? Industry, let me be clear. So with industrial and simple example, okay? I'm just giving this one. So all you have to do is that you have to keep the drop down as thinking, right? And then let the tool be as it is, okay? Don't change now. Later you can change it. First you can get the notes. After that you can change it, okay? So it is started generating. It may take few seconds. It is creating the structure now. So it has given that Swiss Army knife is in distribution it is given, and the normal bell curve and the bell curve formula, binomial one formula, Poisson distributions, and then chi-square, and so on and so forth. And let's say again, it has given a little bit more information, everything. So with that, what I'm going to do it is that I'm going to paste this one. This is very important. The prompt, you need to keep it, right? So what the prompt is, create a hand-drawn sketch note, visual summary of these notes, in above one. Use a pristine white paper background, no lines. The art should be, you can specify graphic recording or visual thinking using black ink, fine liners for clear outlines and text. Use color marker and all that. So all that you can keep the same thing. And then you can also ask, like, you need in 16:9. So here, this is very important. You can go to tools and you can ask for create images. Okay, and then you can enter. Or in the first prompt itself, we can just convert tool as a image, and then this drop down as a thinking also as well. So it's what it is doing, it is that it is creating the nano banana model. Let's see that in case. There you go. So within few seconds, this is ready. Normal distribution is all about bell curve, and it has given the formula, everything. And Six Sigma, it is when you say bill curve is largely being used in Six Sigma, right? And then binomial mean yes, no, right? Two outcomes. So it is again, it has given that one chi-square, like so you have that the research expected versus observed value, everything chi-square, chi-mean check, and the fit, and then chi-square is a one. So and then you have that Poisson distribution, and Poisson mean per person, like you can divide. I mean, you can have more than one category, two categories, right? Binary will have two and more than two, and it has given that basic summary, everything. So this is how you can easily get this one. Let me, what I will do now, I will take next one. So ISO 9001 2015, and each clauses summary and how to implement. So let's say this one. But now what I will do, I will add these also as well together. Okay. And let me go as stretch as one shot. Let's see what it gives. So it is started loading it. It may take few seconds. So any complex topic you wanted to learn, what you can do is that you can just give here, for example, this one, context of the argument. See how cleverly 1, 2, 3 it has skipped because those three clauses are not the main classes. So class number 4, context of the organization, and then you have a risk and internal and external issues, and then 5, leadership and the commitment, roles, policy, everything. Planning, it has given the resources management, everything, and then 7, you have so the 7, so 4, 5, 6, and then you have support, and then operation you have performance improvement and all, right? So again, further you have how to implement. There will be bit of that detail also is available. So like this, you can any complex topic you can easily get using the Gemini Google.com. So let's say you wanted to learn something about, let's say, business English, right? Business English, give 10 commonly used phrases, and then I'm gonna say the same thing, right? Okay, let's see that. And if you want, you can download also as well. Let's say you can click and you have a download and share and copy everything. So let me just download this also as well. Meanwhile, just going back here. So this is ready, right? So it has claimed the corporate ladder ballpark figure, which I tend to use it very often. On the same page, low hanging fruit, win win situation, touch base, and deadlines, think outside the box, all that, right? So any difficult topics, you can easily create everything. So thank you so much. Start using it. Let me know how it is useful for you. Thank you so much. Take good care.